Today I'm talking about an Italian podcast for those who are at the beginning of their learning journey. Not entirely at the beginning, because you do need to have some vocabulary behind you, but still a beginner. It's called Stories in Slow Italian. Now, this podcast, I would suggest you listen to the more recent episodes rather than starting right from the beginning, as the audio quality is better now, and I feel the format is also better. I'll elaborate on that in a minute. So the podcasts are weekly. Some episodes are sound only, others have videos, and others are pay only. They're generally in the 10 to 25 minute length, and they are spoken in slow Italian, as the title says. But it's a comfortable slow, rather than a forced slow, if you know what I mean. Some people do talk really slowly in these things, so slowly that it's difficult to actually get what's being said. This is not that. It's slow, but sounds natural. The subjects are mainly life stories and reflections, and the presenter, Elena, speaks in both Italian and English. Usually this is first totally in Italian, and then there's a discussion of what everything means in English. So if you haven't understood something, you will find out what it means. The part purely in Italian is only about 5 minutes at the beginning, obviously depending on the length of the episode. On the earlier episodes, they tended to be translated after each sentence, which feels awkward. If you want to check it out, there's a link to it on Spotify in the description, but as always, you may find this on other podcast platforms.